So the grind don't stop, according to Sicily. ATC on top, according to Sicily. Gotta drops on drops, according to Sicily. If I like that shirt, subscribe, do that for Sicily.
What's up, y'all? Happy December, Merry Vlogmas. Let's do this. All right, y'all. So today's video, we're going to do a quick haul of all of the things that I purchased last year on the after Christmas sale to use for this year. As you can see, we had Snoopy bedding coming out of the crate first. If you are new here, hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Cicely. I'm a disabled mother by way of sickle cell anemia, and I thought it was important to show content to encourage you that if I can do it through hospitalizations and everything that comes along with being disabled, you can do it with whatever comes your way. We can do it together. So if that sounds like, you know, something you'd be interested in, join our family. We do a lot of vlogging, decorating videos, and hauls. So go ahead and join ATC gang and let's get this thing going. All right, y'all, back to the haul. Y'all, we're halfway through today's video, so let's stop and do our subscriber shout out. If you want to be shout out in the next video, it's easy. Just join the fam and leave us a comment so you could be featured next. So today's subscriber shout out is from the last video I collabed in. It was a living room clean with me where we showed how we prepared our home for the upcoming Thanksgiving season. This comment comes from D. Zakira, girl, excuse me if I'm mispronouncing your name. She writes, "Hi C, I'm loving your couch. We have similar styles. Also, I love your wall decor. That's good that you give the living room a deep clean that's needed if you are expecting company during this holiday season. Enjoy being in this collab with everyone." Thank you so much for your comment. I do enjoy having a clean home, so my guests always feel welcome. All right, y'all, let's get back to it. You guys, now it's time for the decorating portion of today's video. I'm gonna clean and decorate my haul tree, and this is special to me because it was my first big sponsored collab from last year. If you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and link it above. Let me know down in the comments, what colors are you using to decorate for your house this Christmas season?
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine.
All right, y'all. So I couldn't find any more of my 10 houses up there, and we found some more. So I said, Kaden, do you want to just leave the 2 or you want to add more? What do y'all think he said? That's my baby. He said more.
Side and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want.
Boski, Joski.
Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy.
Good job, Boski, Joski.
Any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. It's so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, I'm making plans.
Now that Kaden is finished decorating the hall tree, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the steps so I can show you guys this area of the living room. And y'all already know the supervisor had to come and help his mom. All right, so if you are enjoying this content, go ahead and do me a favor and give the video a huge thumbs up as it helps to circulate my channel. We are on the road to 2K.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, and in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the
Home decor, vlogs and more, yeah, yeah. Home decor, vlogs and more, yeah, yeah. Home decor, vlogs and more, yeah, yeah. Home decor, vlogs and more, yeah, yeah.
According to Sicily.